Hello, dear children. Yes, I'm back with another video for you all with these questions from Reproductive Health, Chapter 4. Okay, so I've already finished, I feel, 3 chapters. Okay, and this is the 4th one. So, Reproductive Health, Assertion, Reasoning Questions. Okay, and as you can see, the 4 options A, B, C, D. And yeah, before I start the video, again, I would like to say that there are quite many children. Okay, you are getting the videos and you are not subscribing it. Okay, and I will not put in the status update, so you only those who have subscribed will get the notification, and you can get the benefit from these videos because they are going to be useful. Chalo, without further delay, let us begin with the video. So finally, the very first question, okay, from Reproductive Health. Assertion: use of condoms is a safeguard against AIDS and sexual disease besides checking pregnancy. And the reason is condoms are physical barriers preventing body fluids of 2 partners to come in contact. Okay. And the second one, as you can see, copper T is an effective IUD. I'm not going to read all the questions, just going to pass it off. Let it go down. So commonly used by, okay, thank you. So, okay. Copper T stops the transport of sperms till the ampullary stomach. That is the second one. So you can see 5 questions are there on the screen. The 5th one, copper T again, contraceptive used by women, and copper ions reduce the motility and fertilizing capacity. So whichever ऊपर जो दिया हुआ है ABCD, whichever is correct, that you have to mark. Next, the answers are there for you. तो पहले आप कीजिए और उसके बाद answers में आइए. ठीक है? Next, I come to case-based questions. So this is from Reproductive and Child Healthcare Program. Okay, this is the paragraph and the related questions. Still the paragraph, continuation of the paragraph. Okay, so half paragraph you must have seen. This is the rest of the paragraph, and then comes the first question: what is the full form of RCH? Okay. People at home, you can very well understand the recordings are done at home. Yeah. So second question, mention which of the following is not a major task under RCH programs. And 13th, RCH also aims to create awareness about problems due to uncontrolled population growth. The options are there. And this is 14th and 15th question. Okay? 15th is assertion reason based questions, as you can see. Answers भी साथ साथ दिया हुआ है assertion reason का. Then we come to contraceptives. That is another case based question. So this is there. This is the paragraph. This is the case. Okay. And then we come to the questions following it. Yes. You can see 2 questions are very clear on the screen. Okay, 21st and 22nd. And then we come to 23rd. Government through RCH has promoted small families to overcome the problems associated with population explosion in a country through various means. Which of the following option is not an effort by the government and RCH? Okay, 23rd. Then we come to 24th and 25th is assertion reason based. Again, the answers are there. Okay, answers to all the questions related to that case based. Okay. Then we come to again the third one, that is also contraceptives. As you can see, the paragraph, and then the first question is there on the screen related to menstrual cycle. Finally, we come to 32nd. Some females just after the childbirth during the breastfeeding phase, the phase of the absence of menstruation, this fully prevents conception. Okay. 33rd, 34th, 34th, it's there on the screen. 35th, I will do it for you. That is assertion reason based questions. Okay, 35th is assertion reason based question. and the answers. Okay. Along with this, I also put the case based for this medical termination of pregnancy. Okay. This is the next question. Under which conditions it is not legal to perform FTP up to 12 weeks of pregnancy? Then 4.2, 4.3, and 4.4. Okay. As you see, these 4.4 के options नीचे हैं. तो कैसे पढ़ना है आपको समझ में आ रहा होगा. How you have to prepare. And then comes 4.5, which is assertion reason based question with the answers. Okay. Finally, we come to sexually transmitted disease. This is a huge paragraph. Leave it for some time so that you can read it for yourself. Two questions related to the paragraph are already there on the screen. Then comes 53, 54, and 55 with the questions. You can see 55th is assertion reason based question. 51, 52, 5.2, 5.3, 5.4, and 5.5, not 51. Okay. Then I come to the answers related with it. Okay. And finally, the sixth case-based question that is related to oral contraceptives. The paragraph is there, the question formulated. Okay, OCs, Saheli, and then this. Okay. 6.3, 6.4, 6.5. बंद कर दो ना. It's getting recorded. So these are the answers to 6.5. Next, we come to competency-based questions. This paragraph is related to infertility. So, you can see this. A pie chart also, pie graph, you can see. Then the questions that follow. A woman has blockage in fallopian tubes which cannot be treated. Which ART would you suggest to this couple for becoming parents? What is ART? Assisted reproductive technologies. ART, not art. Okay, gift, zift, IUT, any of them. Very good questions has been selected for you, children. Real hard work. अब इससे फायदा उठाइए. 7.2, 7.3. Then comes 7.4 with a graph. Okay, see, this is 7.4. Which of the following is the reason for infertility? The questions related. This is case based on graph. Okay. Assertion, reason for the question, and then the answers. Again, 8th is surgical methods पे case based है. As you can see with the picture, with the diagrams, and then the questions that follow. 8.1 is there on the screen. Comes 8.2, 8.3, 8.4. शायद आपने देखा ना. I hope I'm not very fast. 8.2, 8.3, 8.4. Assertion, reason, based question. answers to that particular question, 8th question. Then we come to 9th, related to population explosion. Again, a graph, and with the related graph, you have questions. Okay, 2 questions, which is there on the screen, which you can see. Now, these videos, children, require huge views, lots of likes, shares, isn't it? And बनता ही है that it should be subscribed, isn't it? Point 3, 9.4. Okay, the answers also to this 9th question, case-based question, and then we have the other sort of multiple MCQs. Which of the following STD is completely curable if timely and proper treatment is sought? The options. You have second and third question. Intrauterine devices. Fourth question is again with the diagram. The diagram is there in your NCERT textbook. Okay, identify the contraceptive used by females. So 4 options are there. Then we come to 4.2. Okay, as you can see, it's the basic chemical composition present in above contraceptive. And again, what is the difference between implants and oral contraceptives? Answers are provided with you. Try solving it yourself and then go for the answers. Yeah, so this was all for now. Okay, children. So thank you all. Thank you for watching it, and may you score quite good, okay, in the exams. And I know this video is really going to be very, very beneficial for you. And thank you all. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much. Take care.